You gotta try this. It's an easy slow cooker chicken Alfredo with jar sauce and dry pasta. In a separate bowl, stir together the uncooked pasta, Alfredo sauce, water, Italian seasoning, garlic, salt, and pepper. In the crock pot, layer half of the pasta, sauce, chicken, mozzarella, and Parmesan cheese. Repeat with a second layer, ending in the mozzarella cheese. Cover and cook on high for 2 to 4 hours or until the pasta in the middle is tender and the chicken is fully cooked. Depending on your crock pot, cooking times can vary. For full recipe, visit Slow Cooked Eats.